Sometime here in Louisiana, the temperature tops 115 degrees, heat index. Air conditioning unit set at 72 and it's struggling to keep up. You got insects of all kinds. You got mosquitoes. You got gnats. On top of that, you got lizards all over the place. Then these guys, wasps and their nest. You gotta buy insecticide. You're spraying wasps, you're trying to keep up. You gotta know when to say when and take the party inside. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes it is, your boy Rosel, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Like I said in the intro, it's piping hot here in Louisiana. Right now it's 8 o'clock in the afternoon, 7:30, and it is probably 85, 90 degrees. You gotta know when to say when and bring the party inside. And that's when this guy comes into play. That's right, Mr. George Foreman. Today, you're gonna get a 2-for-1. You're gonna get the George Foreman, which y'all have seen before. You know how this thing works. You can use it inside, you can use it outside. I have yet to look at a review where the George Foreman, one of the George Foreman, either the George Foreman or the George Foreman Jr. or the smaller George Foreman didn't come in #1 or #2. They're the top, this particular unit is the top indoor-outdoor unit on most reviews. So today, we're going to cook. There's 3 foods that I love to eat, especially since I moved here to Louisiana, and I have yet to prepare. One of them is shark. Shark meat's hard to come by. The other one is alligator. Alligator meat isn't hard to come by, but it's difficult to cook. And I've yet to try to cook it because I'm afraid I'll mess it up, and that's expensive meat. The third one is lamb. I have yet to cook a lamb chop, but today that's all about to change. With 2 simple ingredients. We got the lamb chop itself, of course. Then we got salt, we got pepper, and we're gonna cook them on the George Foreman. Like I said, I haven't tried this before, but we're gonna give it a shot. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the George Foreman on, and I guess we'll go ahead and put that on max so we can go ahead and sear the steak. And once that thing heats up, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a little salt and pepper on it. Matter of fact, let's do that now. We'll go ahead and season it. Now, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and season the lamb chop. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil on it. Put that on both sides. Then we're gonna sprinkle on a little bit of salt. Go ahead and sprinkle on a little bit of pepper. Flip it over. Do the same thing. A little salt. A little bit of pepper. All right, we're gonna give George about 5 minutes to go ahead and heat. We put George on max. We're gonna wait for it to heat up, and we'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, I think we got George up to temperature. So let's go ahead, we'll put the top right here. We'll go ahead and put that lamb chop right in the middle. Oh yeah, y'all hear that sizzle? 49er approved, baby. Let's go ahead and put the top back on. We'll let that do its thing for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm gonna go shoot a little pool and we'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. I think this is gonna be good. Boom. Boom. Superman. 49 approved. All right, family, it's been about 3 minutes, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Ooh, yeah, baby. Let's go ahead and give her her first flip. It may only take 1 flip. All right, Tom, need y'all to cooperate. Booyah. Oh, yeah. Now, what I should have done, this is a small lamb chop. So normally with a bigger lamb chop, I would cut that to keep it from trying to rise up. You see what it's trying to do right here? Where it's trying to raise up a little bit? Take you some scissors and cut that a little split. And that'll keep that meat from rising up like that. But since that's a small lamb chop, I think we'll be okay. Now I'm in my game room, so if y'all hear a little bit of echo in this video, forgive me. But I thought this was the best spot to do this at, because I'm trying to stay cool, and this room is cool and relaxing. And that's what we're doing today. We brought the party inside, cool and relaxed. All right, fam, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna let that thing do its thing for about 3 minutes on that side. I'm gonna prepare me a few sides, maybe some potatoes, or they're already prepared. I'm gonna get my potatoes and maybe some green beans, and we're gonna call it supper time. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back in about 3 minutes. All right, fam, 3 minutes is up, and booyah! Now, like I said, this is the first time I've cooked a lamb chop. I'm not that familiar with it, but if it's anything like a regular steak or a pork chop, medium well or medium is good for me. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this puppy off. And I found the perfect sides, candy yams and turnip greens. Turnips are my freaking favorites. All right, let's go ahead and cut George off and let him cool off so we can get him cleaned up. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna cut into this lamb chop, and we're gonna see what she looks like. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, fam. Like I said, I am not a lamb chop expert, but Lord, that looks like it came out perfect. 3 minutes per side, 1 flip on the George Foreman. Oh yeah. All right, ain't but one thing left to do, fam. Let's give her a taste test. Ooh, that's hot. That's it, fam. Oh, just salt and pepper lamb chop on the George Foreman. I'm gonna take a rag, wipe that down, and she's done. I've done several reviews on the George Foreman, and that is my go-to grill. Inside, outside, electric grill. If I could take that thing camping with me, I would, but I think she pulls too much power. I have 2, oh, there go Fitzgerald. I have 2 generators. I have the small Predator generator, and I got like a 7,000 watt generator, and I got the Predator 2000. Give me a couple of weeks, and I'm gonna test this George Foreman grill and see will one of my generators power this thing. And if it will, you may see it in me and Tanya's next Overland video. And by the way, on Wednesdays is when we're gonna start doing our vlogs. Probably about once every 6 weeks, we're gonna go do a Overland video. So all my videos on Wednesday will be either overlanding or maybe exercising, just something out of the ordinary. And Mondays will be our reviews and our cooking videos. So fam, we're about to take this thing to the next level. Y'all stay tuned, it's about to get good. And by the way, I just reached 1,000 subscribers. So y'all give y'all boy a round of applause. We, the family here at This and That, are at 1,000 subscribers. So y'all have 1,000 brothers and sisters out there watching these videos, and hopefully we're doing it consistently. So family, I've talked enough. I'm fixing to go enjoy this lamb chop. If y'all like what your boy is doing, y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. If y'all like what we're doing here at This and That, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Peace. Woo, it's getting hot in this room. That George Foreman puts out some heat. Woo, I'm out.